Hello and welcome to Bird Barrier. My name is Michael Gallion, and today we're going to talk about Optical Gel, this amazing little disc that is so useful in bird control. We take a look at it here. What this product actually is a multi-sensory disc, and it affects the bird in a few different ways. But what it is primarily beeswax and agar food additive product, and it repels birds. Number one, the first thing that you need to know about this product is that it is the only high-pressure, professional-grade multisensory disc. There are others out there that are not meant to solve nesting, but this one, it does work very well for nesting situations. Number two is that it works for years. It's not a temporary fix. This will actually cause nesting birds to relocate somewhere else, and that is the real core solution that we're looking for in bird control. Number three, the way it works is an instinctive reaction. So if we take a look at this quick video, we can see where we have installed the product on top of a light where birds would frequently be flying into and landing. And here again in slow motion, we see it up close. That's an instinctive reaction. Birds do not like to be near this product, especially in nesting and perching situations. So it's very effective. Number four is that this does not harm birds in any way. With all of the bird barrier products, they're approved by the Humane Society, and as well as this particular product is exempt from registration, so there's no danger to humans or birds alike. And the fifth point of Optical Gel, it's a very low-cost solution. That's one of the great things that's made it such a game changer in the industry. So those are the 5 things you need to learn about Optical Gel. To become an installer for bird barrier products, go to the Eventbrite link and you can register for one of our many online webcasts that we do for training, certification. If you are interested in having a system installed because of a bird problem, go to birdbarrier.com and we will put you in contact with one of our certified installers. My name is Michael Gallion with Bird Barrier, and we will see you at the next video.